welcome to my channel. My name is Gwandi Radebe, and yeah, this is my first video for the year, which is super duper exciting. And yeah, I'll get into detail to why I haven't been vlogging and why I haven't been shooting any videos. But yeah, today is a vlog. I'm going, so basically what's happening today is I am going hiking, and it's just gonna be a day in my life, honestly, so I'm not gonna do too much. So right now I just finished doing my hair. I kind of look like, you know, the crown is up, you know. I just want to breathe a little bit because woo, okay, I haven't vlogged in a minute and I don't know what I'm doing, and I actually want to put this here because I want to quickly, okay, yes, I wanted to put this here because I wanted to quickly put this on my face. So come with me and enjoy a day with me today, and then I'll get into detail later in the video, or maybe I'll do another video for why I haven't been posting any vlogs. It's just, I want to give you like another routine per se, but I just want to show you the change that this product has on my skin. Okay, so this is the lotion side and this is the side that's not lotion. My skin is like so puffy and so dry. And the side is like more, ooh, chill. Guys, I finally got the sun, and look at that. Wow, I look stunning. My skin is popping, as I said. Like, no, I need to get proper sun. Asambeni, guys.
I'm feeling high.
So we just shush. So we just came back from the shops, guys. Asambeni and go hiking. It's more of an outing than it is anything. So yeah.
Open it up. Open it up. Crisscross jump. With a bell in the trunk.
Yo guys, the worst thing just happened to me. To the girl. We got to Botanical Gardens and we had only cash on us. So when we got there to the gates, did they not tell us to turn around? Did they not tell us to turn around and go back? It's fine. Did they not tell us to go around and go back home and get cards? Cha, I need to fix my card. It's a big issue now. It's coming in a big issue. Okay. What happened?
And then his mother was angry, so he started to kill people. The mother. And one of them taps the mother's head. And Jason also started to kill people.
Also, the child's name was Jason,
Yeah.
but the child was dead because the child the child drowned most.
But he's still alive.
So he became a ghost.
No, a killer. The kid went his house to find his grandmother. the grandmama give an apple, he said no. Okay, guys. And the mama and the mother, they have a pizza, and the kid said yes.
So the kid doesn't like fruits.
Yeah.
So the kid likes junk food.
Yeah.
So you're not talking about yourself.
Where's the giant tree? Where's the tree?
Go. We're probably gonna come across a giant tree somewhere, somehow. Cha, I feel like we're going back to the entrance. What is it, baby? Oh, it's umtiti tree. So it looks like that.
Yeah,
The box looks like that.
because it's broken.
Kind of. This is super duper. This is so serene, guys. Like, literally. I think I needed this for my first video.
Get lost.
Can you stop screaming and walk with Zinhle and Tando? This is exactly what I needed to be serene. And then there's little kids in the background. And then there's little kids in the background out here making noise. I can't stand. I thought I was gonna come here and just be one with nature and just, you know, be one with the earth, and everything. But no, my little brothers had to ruin that experience for me. But anyway, we move. Honestly, we move. There's I can just my hands. Like, I am in. Oh my word. This is beautiful, guys. Oh, I literally love. My hair looks like I'm flying. I was resting a little bit. But yeah.
Note to self, let go of the fear and anxiety that you've been dealing with for the past several months. Don't be afraid to seize the moment. Thank you so much for watching.